Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the best photo for extraction. High contrast between subject and background speeds everything up. Open the image in your editor and immediately duplicate the background layer so you can undo. Once done, add a transparent layer under the duplicate to preview the final background. You do this because working non-destructively preserves the original and lets you experiment. Make sure to set the workspace to RGB and a sensible DPI for output so colors and detail remain accurate. Now you isolate the subject. Use a quick selection or pen tool for a precise path, then convert that to a mask. This gives you editable control. Once masked, refine the edge, smooth or feather slightly, and increase contrast a bit to tighten the selection around hair and outline. If your tool offers color decontamination, apply it to remove fringe colors from the background. Otherwise, sample with a soft brush on the mask to clean fine areas. This step is critical because it determines how natural the subject will sit on the new background. With the subject isolated, place your chosen background beneath the subject layer and scale it to fit the scene. You may need to tweak perspective or add a subtle shadow beneath the subject to anchor them. Use a soft, low-opacity brush on a separate shadow layer. Then match lighting and color with curves or color balance so the subject doesn't look pasted. Once satisfied, export as PNG if you need transparency or JPG for a final flattened image, and save your project file for future tweaks. Troubleshooting tip: if edges look harsh, slightly increase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.